How much should you actually spend on a lawnmower? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, American Lawnmower 1204-14. The American Lawnmower Company 1204-14 caught my eye right away with its sleek design and bright red color. Priced at $87.99, this 14-inch push reel mower is ideal for small lawns. If you want a budget-friendly, eco-conscious choice, this is worth a serious look. This push mower features a 4-blade reel with a cutting width of 14 inches, which is great for maneuvering through tight spaces. At just 19 pounds, it's lightweight, making it easy to push around your yard. The adjustable blade height ranges from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, so you can keep your grass at the ideal length without stressing the roots. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get a clean cut that helps maintain the health of your lawn without gas or noise. Now, some people complained about its effectiveness on taller grass, noting that it struggles when grass exceeds 4 inches. Here's the thing though, as long as you mow regularly and keep the grass shorter, this mower can do a fantastic job without any fuss. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a low-maintenance manual mower that respects the environment. Skip this one if you have a larger yard or tend to let your grass grow too tall. For under $90, you get a solid option for small spaces. Now, if the manual operation of the American lawnmower bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Black & Decker 3-in-1 Combo Shorts. Next up is the Black & Decker electric lawnmower, weed eater, and edger 3-in-1 combo. At $69, it's an affordable yet versatile option that really impressed me. If you want a complete solution for your small yard, this is definitely worth considering. This combo includes a 12-inch corded electric mower, a weed eater, and an edger. With a 6.5 amp motor driving the mower, you get reliable power to tackle tough weeds and thick grass effortlessly. The automatic feed spool means you won't be stopping to adjust anything, allowing you to keep going without interruptions. Here's why this matters for you. If you've ever dealt with tangled cords or jammed spools, this feature will save you a lot of headaches. Honestly, I found the 12-inch cutting width a bit limiting for larger patches of grass, but for small yards, it's perfectly fine. If you're looking for something that can trim, mow, and edge, this is a good compromise. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-function tool that can do it all without breaking the bank. Skip this if you have a larger lawn that requires a wider cutting deck. For $69, you're getting a solid trio that can save you time and effort. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a classic push mower without all the fuss. Product number 3, Lawnmaster LM-RM1602. The Lawnmaster LM-RM1602 push reel lawnmower is another affordable option at $72.24. This 16-inch mower caught my attention because of its scissor-like cut, which is great for maintaining a healthy lawn. If you want a reliable and efficient manual mower, this one is worth a serious look. This mower's 16-inch cutting width and lightweight design make it easy to navigate around your yard. The adjustable cutting height allows you to customize your cut between 1 to 2.5 inches, so you can ensure your grass looks its best. The manual operation means it's eco-friendly. No gas or battery required. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Less noise and pollution while you keep your yard looking sharp. Now, some users mentioned that it can take more effort to cut thicker grass. Honestly, this is typical for push reel mowers, but if you keep up with your mowing schedule, you won't run into that issue. This is perfect for you if you prefer a hands-on approach to lawn care and want to save on fuel costs. Skip this one if you have a larger lawn or don't want to put in the extra effort. For around $72, this is a solid manual option. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful without losing maneuverability, the next product might just fit the bill.
Product number 4, Lawnmaster MEB1114K. Introducing the Lawnmaster MEB1114K electric corded lawnmower, priced at $119.99. This compact 15-inch mower impressed me with its power and ease of use. If you want something a bit more powerful for your small lawn, this is definitely worth checking out. With a powerful 11-amp motor and 3,300 RPM, this mower can cut through grass with ease. The adjustable height settings let you customize your mowing from 1.4 to 3 inches. And the 7-gallon collection bag is a game changer, keeping your lawn tidy as you mow. Here's why this matters for you. Having a clean lawn with minimal effort is something we all want. However, some users mentioned that the mower can be a bit heavy, weighing around 28 pounds. I'll be real with you. If you're not accustomed to handling heavier equipment, this could be a drawback. But if you're looking for power, the weight is a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable electric mower that can handle thicker grass without hassle. Skip this if you're looking for a super lightweight option. At $119.99, you're getting solid performance for your investment. Now, if you're leaning toward manual options but don't want to sacrifice size, the final product might be just the solution you need.
Product number 5, Lawnmaster LM-RM1801 Push Reel Lawnmower, priced at $99.99. This 18-inch mower stood out to me with its larger cutting ring, making it perfect for small lawns. If you want a manual mower that can cover more ground, this one is worth a look. With its scissor-like cut and a customizable height ranging from 1.1 to 2.5 inches, this mower promotes a healthy lawn while being easy on the blades. The 10-inch front wheels make maneuvering around your yard a breeze. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It makes mowing less of a chore and more of an efficient task. Some users have pointed out that while it's durable, it's not as easy to push through very thick grass. Here's the thing though, if you keep your grass well groomed, this mower will perform beautifully. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a larger manual mower that still respects the environment. Skip this if you have very tall grass or prefer an electric model. For $99.99, you get a solid mower that makes lawn care feel less daunting. So, to wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 great options. The American Lawnmower 1204-14 for a basic, eco-friendly cut. The Black & Decker for a versatile combo. The Lawnmaster LM-RM1602 for those who want a reliable manual mower. The Lawnmaster MEB1114K for power. And finally, the Lawnmaster LM-RM1801 for those needing a wider cut. Depending on your needs, any of these could be a great fit for your small yard.